Welcome everybody. My name is Erin. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Let's go. So today I'm going to be coloring my black naturally curly hair with hair coloring material. That's what they call it. So keep on watching and I'll see you guys at the end. Enjoy!
Okay, so first things first, I'm going to section off my hair. I always part my hair down the middle, so I'm just splitting it in half. And then I'm just going to clip the top half of the right side of my head. And then I'm going to split in half again. And then I'm just going to take this spray bottle and wet my hair. This is day 3 hair, so there's already some product left in my hair, so I'm just going to wet it a little bit and add a little bit of product. So I'm just going to detangle it a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with this Cantu leave-in conditioner. I've never tried this before, so we'll see how it works. If I could get it open. I'm going to take a little bit of this and just rake it through that section of hair. Then I'm going to take the hair color. I'm just going to take a little bit at first, but I'm just going to keep adding some until I can actually see the color showing up. I did this throughout every section of hair. I just wet it with the spray bottle, detangled it a little bit, added my leave-in conditioner, and then after detangling a little bit more, I just went in with the color. Then I just repeated this process throughout the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to speed that up. Okay, so I'm now on the final section of my hair. Repeated the same process throughout my head. And then once I was finished, I just kind of went over everything, added a little bit more. Okay, so this is my hair after it air dried for maybe an hour. And then I decided to go in with a blow dryer to add a little bit of volume and help dry faster. Okay, so once I finished, this is how it looked. It wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, and I'm extra, so then I just started adding more to a few curls. So I kind of just did this around my head. I just picked random pieces that were easily seen and just added some more color to them. That I had to go and wipe off some of the excess on my baby hairs because I look like Dennis Rodman. So I had to wipe that up a little bit, and then I decided to blow dry it a little bit more to see if I could get it even bigger.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. It is officially dry. It's not as big as I would like it, but this is the final look, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try it. Make sure you like this video, comment something nice or mean, whatever makes you happy, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.